We, the people, own Hubble. It is a part of our culture, and we treasure it. When there was a possibility that this servicing mission might not happen, there was a huge outcry, not just from the scientists, but from the members of the public themselves, people who are not scientists. They are the ones who wrote letters and made phone calls and sent faxes to try to get that changed. Hubble has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, and they've given our children a much clearer and newer view than we had when we were children. But with this servicing mission, we're going to be expanding our vision even further, giving all of our children a bigger and more fascinating universe to grow and learn and wonder about. So if I had to think of 3 words that I would use to characterize the legacy of Hubble for all of us in the future, those words would be vision, hope, and triumph. You know, Hubble's not just a machine. It's more than the telescope and more than the cameras and the equipment. It's a vast network of people who conceived and built and operate and appreciate this incredible tool. It's the spacecraft builders, not only the scientists, but the engineers, the technicians, bureaucrats, politicians, and everybody who worked together to make Hubble a reality and to keep it a reality. They had to have vision. They had to have hope. And then ultimately there was the triumph of seeing it come to fruition. Astronomers from all around this globe use the telescope. Scientists from everywhere have the hope of using this fabulous machine. It's a triumph of Hubble that it can probe all aspects of science, from the planets to the cosmos to galaxies to everything in between. Star formation, galaxy formation. The tools on Hubble have given us the vision needed to study this. But these images are transformed in our imaginations, and they have captured the imagination of kids all around the world. Ordinary people love Hubble. The Hubble story resonates with people because it's the story of humanity. It's a story of hope. It's the story of darkness. Darkness in which we eventually triumph. And of course, the astronaut corps, not just the astronauts, but the support staff, the shuttle engineers, thousands of individuals who contributed in myriad ways to making this program a success. Their vision of a successful mission, their hope of complete accomplishment, have led to many triumphs in the past servicing missions. The efforts of all of these people culminate in the Atlantis mission. The Hubble Space Telescope has already earned its place in history as a triumph of science in our modern era. Yet there is more to see, more to learn, more to ponder, and more to wonder at. This mission will give Hubble the tools for a marvelous swan song. One more opportunity to probe this vast universe and all that lies within it. As a scientist, as a longtime user of Hubble, as a public citizen, and as a parent, I'm going to be watching this final mission with hope for the future. I'll be marveling at the vision and triumph that Hubble represents, and I wish the shuttle crew a safe flight and a bon voyage.